Okay, now what we just dealt with was something called a sequence. Now you're going to see the difference here between a sequence and what's called a series. Now to express this difference, we're going to take a general idea such as Kwanzaa. Now we know the African American celebration of Kwanzaa involves the lighting of candles every night for 7 nights. If you didn't know that, now you do. Anyway, the first night one candle is lit and then blown out. The second night, a new candle and the candle from the first night are lit and blown out. The third night, a new candle and the 2 candles from the second night are lit and blown out. So every night, you add one more candle and then you blow them out, and then you add one more the next night. So this process continues for 7 nights. So what if I wanted to know the total number of lightings during the 7 nights of celebration? Think about it. Night 1 you're lighting 1, night 2 you're lighting 2, night 3 you're lighting 3, and so on. And you're finding the total. That's the difference here. The first night 1 candle was lit, the second night 2 were lit, and so on. So we just spoke about that. To find the total number of lightings, you would add together the numbers from all 7 nights, and you would see that it goes from 1 through 7. So we're adding the numbers together. So what I get when I add those together is 28. So that's the total number of lightings that are done in a 7-day span during Kwanzaa. Now what a series is, it's the sum of the terms in a sequence. So if I were to differentiate between this here that I am now circling and a sequence is just a list of numbers in a specific order, while a series is a sum of the numbers in the sequence. Okay? And an arithmetic series is what we're going to be dealing with. It's a sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence. So let's say I have the arithmetic sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. It's all of the even numbers from 2 to 10 inclusive. The corresponding series with those numbers would be the sum of those terms. And what I would get, so let's say I have another arithmetic sequence, like -8, -3, 2, and 7. The resulting series would be the sum of those terms. Get it? Not that bad. So we're going to again generalize a series like we generalize a sequence. Remember A sub n. Well, with a series, we're going to generalize it with the term S sub n. And it's going to represent the first n terms of a series. So let's say I had a 5 here. That would mean the sum of the first 5 terms in that series. Okay? So let's say I have the sequence 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, and it goes on forever. Let's say I wanted to find S sub 4. That means find the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence. So I would have to add the first 4 that I have there, 1, 11, 21, and 31, and I would get 64. Okay? So to end this video, what we're going to do is we're going to find the sum of the first 8 terms, that's what S sub 8 means, of the arithmetic sequence given. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well, here I have the first 8 terms, and I get 36. Correct? Everyone agrees. So that's your basic introduction to how a series works. Remember, the difference between a sequence and a series is that a series is the sum of the terms of a sequence. So now that you have that basic foundation, you can move to the next video.